Community Choice Energy Program would allow Oakland and East Bay cities to offer residents a choice of more renewable energy to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create local clean energy jobs. What is your position on development by East Bay MUD of a Community Choice Energy Program that includes Oakland?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for repeating the question. I first want to start by thanking the Coalition and the Sierra Club for giving us an opportunity to meet the voters of Oakland tonight. And it's exciting to talk about our energy future because the communities like Oakland, right, the 99%, we feel the impacts of bad energy policy first, particularly in the low-lying areas in District 3 where climate change is really going to impact us and is impacting us now. So with that as a framework, I want to talk about community choice as something not only to be supportive of, but to champion. And I would champion this policy because it would not only provide clean jobs, but it gives us an opportunity to diversify our mix, to reach those goals, to reduce the gas levels. You know, it's kind of nervous up here. Boy, I got to get used to this. Wow. The cool thing about this that I like that's happening in our community that has not happened in other communities where they've taken this on is that we're already working with one of our municipalities. And as far as I know, the official position of PG&E has been to be mute on this. So I think there's a wonderful opportunity for us to begin to build alliances already to bring PG&E to the table. East Bay MUD is already at the table with community and with the nonprofit sector. So I think we have the genesis of something very powerful here. And so the important thing to do is to continue to listen, to learn from the other communities that have tried this, to make sure that in Oakland we do it in a way that is both sensitive to community needs but is forward thinking. I want to see our city become an absolute tech hub. I heard that in the first one, but it's all not just about clean tech, but it's about being on the cutting edge, maximizing all of our resources that are both human and natural so that we're actually leading our country into a more bright and more efficient future.